Hi, in this video I will show you how to use Excel. So first I'm gonna do the simple things. I'm gonna merge and center these cells and call it expense. Then I want to bold it and to change the font size to, let's say, 16 in red. I'll also put a border, so a bottom border, a border at the bottom, in fact. That's a big one. Then I'm gonna go here and put a border in the outline and in the inside it. Okay. Again, so that's all what we already saw with the Word video. But now I want to show you the Excel tools. So in this video I will show you how to format cells, how to stylicize cells, and how to add formulas to it. So here in expense, that's all the expense for 1 year. So as the first Word video, this video is on Aukey 3D printing helmets, and the expense equal. So every time that we are doing a formula, there is the equal sign. If there is no equal sign, then it doesn't work. So equal sum. So as you see, there's a lot of pre-formula. Now I want to use the sum one, sum of all the expense, then enter, and this is it. Now I want to do how to say it, absolute value using the dollar sign right here. So and here I will change it here to currency. Sign for here currency. Okay, so when I scroll down, because I put the absolute value in the formula bar, then when I will scroll down, there will be all the same. Otherwise, if I did not do that, if I do not insert if I do not insert the dollar sign inside the formula bar, then when I scroll down, it will be 0, because the formula says that it scroll down to it select instead of select H3 to K3, it will always select one row after. So we have to put the so that's why we have to put the dollar sign here for absolute values. But a lot of talk to not a lot of things do. So right here, this is the price for one helmet, the price that it costs to do for one helmet, for example. Now if I go in the NHL sheet, I see that they have 124 player. So I'll do the price of one helmet times 124 player. So as you see, the little stars here means multiplication. If I am putting a dash, it means division, or if I am putting plus, it means addition, or minus, so subtraction. But here this is stars for multiplication. So in this formula bar, I forgot to mention that this is like an equation of mathematics. So then I'm going to do that. The expense, let's say that the expense are the same for each years. Then the income come from the cost that the player will pay. So again, we will add another formula. So let's say if formula. So if the C2 sales equal to let's say small, then the value will be $475. Otherwise, if the values of C2 equal medium, then the value will be 500. And otherwise, if the values of C2 is large or goalie mask, it will cost $550. So I'll just finish my formula, and then if I scroll down the bar, the cell, sorry, until the 124th player, then it will appear like a magical tricks. So here the income came from this NHL sheet, so it equals to all of this. Sorry. So copy, it equals to the sum of all of this. Again, I'll put in currency. Then I just don't want that, so I will delete it, and then we can insert another row, and I will call this other row difference. And this difference, I will put it in, let's say, in good, because this is the kind of the revenue. So the difference equal of the income minus the expense equal, then the income, if we want to say that the income increased by 5% each year, then it will be equal to the income times the first one, in fact, C2, times 105%, and then the same is for all of these, and the difference again will be for all of these. But instead of putting a formatting of green, let's say that I'm changing this formatting to accent 1, just to make it easier to understand that this is the difference between the expense and the income for myself. Then I can show you how to do conditional formatting. In fact, conditional formatting is, let's say I am increasing the expense by $20,000. So increasing the expense by $20,000. Then there will be a difference here, of course, but I can do I can select that conditional formatting, so everything that is greater than that will be in green, and okay, and everything that is less than that will be in red, just to inform that the difference will be negative. So that is the conditional formatting tools.